Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are doing another Spa Sunday review of this product here. Boom. So let's get in and let's get into the review. All right guys, welcome back. So today we're doing another spa day review. So this is when I take a product that I've been using and I use these on my spa days, which are normally on Sunday. So I'm sharing this with you guys on a Sunday because I am about to have my wash day today, and that's when I usually use a ton of products just to get my hair ready for the week. As you can see, my hair is curly, and today we're talking about Aunt Jackie's Rescued Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. Guys, if you haven't used this product, you definitely need to use it. So I have curly hair, and what I've been doing is using the curly hair method. If you follow my blog, you guys know that in August of last summer, or this just past summer of 2020, I actually started transitioning my hair, meaning I haven't straightened out my hair or used any heated products, not even a diffuser. You can if you're using the curly girl method, but I just choose not to because I just want to see how curly my hair can get by using the curly girl method. And basically what that means is you're using products that don't have paraben sulfate. You can Google that, or you can go to my blog and see my transition and what I'm doing during this time that I'm not using any heated anything heated on my hair at all. It is being careful with the products that I'm using on my hair. So if you do have curly hair, you guys know that there are and I am no expert. I'm just sharing you guys with things that I found on YouTube and online. So you can definitely find experts out there. I'm just sharing with you guys something that I'm currently using for my curly girl method that I'm actually following. Okay, so if you have curly hair, you guys know that there's curly hair types. My hair, I'm gonna do wash day tomorrow, but my hair falls between I would say a curly hair 2C and a 3/8. That's usually where I fall in. So if you don't know, I am Puerto Rican. So my hair kind of fluctuates, like the hair on the bottom is usually straighter than the hair on the top. So, but being that I haven't straightened my hair out for a couple of months now, it's almost going on a half a year, 6 months. It has been getting a little bit curlier, which I'm definitely loving. So this is actually what I use on my wash days. If you guys have ever smelled a product that just you want to keep using it because you love the way that it makes your hair smells, this is that product. And I'm almost done with it. That's why I had to make sure that I did this review, because I probably have like 2 more go arounds with this one as far as deep conditioner. So what I normally do is once a week, I will shampoo my hair with, right now I'm using Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo as my shampoo, and I'm actually using a Maui conditioner, which I'll review those in the future. Probably Jamaican, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil will be, the shampoo will be next, because that one is actually, someone's running out, so I have to share that one with you guys to give you guys my thoughts on that. But this is what I use as the last step. I use the Maui conditioner on Sundays as well, because it helps me detangle my hair if I need to, I finger detangle my hair. So it helps me to smooth it out before I actually use this treatment here. So I'm gonna give you guys some information on this product here. So this one, just off the bat, this one is paraben free and sulfate free. I bought this one from Target, so I'm actually sharing the information from the website so you guys can get an idea. Here it says the product is perfect for reconstructive treatment that helps return hair to healthier moisture balance. It definitely does. I feel that after I let my hair air dry, and I feel that after the hair is totally dry, it definitely still looks like it has full moisture in it. It says infused with grape seed, castor, and tamanu oils for straightening and anti-breakage results. Because of this product here, because of how the scent and the way that my hair feels after this, I actually went out and bought, they have like a curly smoothie. I'll review that one for you guys too. And I got the leave-in conditioner just because I love this product here. And then it says ideal for restoring moisture after using clarifying shampoo, and gives you some descriptions on how to use it. But I wanted to give you guys some reviews also, so you can kind of see that this is not just my opinion. These are other opinions here also. So one person said, I have curly C hair. So I like to give you guys different perspective outside of myself because, you know, my hair is not that curly, but you can kind of get an idea if this is good for your hair too. So this is, I have 3C curly hair. I love this stuff. My hair was damaged from using protein dyeing, lack of moisture, and it's now luxurious. And then let me see some more. Hold on. Oh, that's basically it for that review. And it kind of got like a 4 out of 5 on here. But let me see if I can find some more reviews online just to give you guys some more. It says, excellent deep conditioner. You can't go wrong with this product. One of the best conditioners, period. Let me see what else. Love it. Some of these are in a different language, so it's throwing me off. Let me see. Yeah, some of them are in a different language, but what I can say is this smells amazing. Let me see. So usually what I do with this one is I leave it on my hair as long as possible. So usually when I shampoo my hair, put the other conditioner just to detangle it. I'll put this one as the last step, and then I'll do everything else that I need to do, any shaving of legs or anything like that, just to give my hair some time. Some people actually put deep conditioner in their hair and they'll take their shower, leave the conditioner in their hair for 30 minutes after they come out of the shower, put like a shower cap on it, and then go about their day, and then 30 minutes later, then they do the rinse. I haven't had this done that, but I'm definitely gonna give that a try just to see if that works with this deep conditioner. But I would recommend this if you have 2C, 3A, this definitely is good for you. You can check out other reviews on YouTube to see if this would be good for your hair. But like I said, it definitely gives you, it smells like, I don't know, it has like a fruity scent to it. I guess that's like the grapeseed scent to it, but this definitely keeps your hair moisturizer. So if you have curly hair, you guys know that we have to put leave-in conditioners in our hair like crazy, but this is definitely, it gives you like a good step if you work. I work from home, so I don't need to go out in the trenches of the weather, but this definitely gets your hair going for the week, and then you can do your co-wash if you do co-washes during the week just to give your hair some added moisture. But usually when I use this one for the week, I don't actually need to do another it's up to your hair type. Everybody's different. Sometimes I can go about 4 days without doing a co-wash in my hair, and then I'll actually use a co-wash, because this definitely, it compared to other deep conditioners that I use, this definitely gives you a lot of moisture that usually I just have to do like a refresh of like some curl smoothie or leave-in conditioner just to give it a little bit moisture, but not extra, like my hair is not looking super dry before I have to do a co-wash. So if you're looking at this video and you're wanting to know if this is really good, like I said, I have a 2C to 3A hair. This does wonders for my hair when I use it as a deep conditioner. So I would definitely say to get this. This is $8.99 actually in Target. So it definitely is worth giving it a try. This for me lasted a very long time because you don't have to put so much. Kind of depends on how thick your hair is, but for me, I didn't have to put so much. And I mean, it's lasted me, you can see that there, it's lasted me a very, very long time. So I don't know, let me know in the comment section below what has been your favorite deep conditioner if you have curly hair, because I definitely love, as you can see, this one is almost gone. So I definitely have to get another order of some deep conditioner. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite deep conditioner and what's like your true deep conditioner that you swear by, because maybe I'll do a review on that one. So with that being said, you guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you love videos like this, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.